A large portion of the population has either failing dentition or they've been wearing dentures for years. What they don't know is that they have options, what we call all on X. Dentures, most of the time, are just for aesthetics. They will change, they won't fit over time. You're going to continue to lose bone, then they become loose. You have to get new ones, you get them realigned. The story goes on and on. Uncomfortable eating, speaking, all of that changes with dentures. And eventually, patients over time, the longer they wear them, they're going to need to look for a solution. And that's where Sundance Implant and Periodontal Center will come in. Or even before that. You can go straight to something that we call All on X that is specifically designed for your mouth and your jaw and your desires. That's why we call it on X, because no patient is the same, and we want to gear it towards what that patient wants and what they need. Instead of traditional dentures, we're going to place dental implants which are going to secure the prosthetic, the teeth, and they are going to be screwed in. And they are going to function as close as possible to natural teeth, but this is the next best step. It's miles above dentures, especially in terms of phonetics, the way you talk, the way you function and live your life, and smile. You're not worried about dentures falling out. You're not using adhesives to hold that stuff in. You're able to function as close to natural as possible. So that's why we are going to recommend those to so many people that don't know them, and we love doing them here at Sundance Implant and Periodontal Center. If you feel like you have a failing dentition or you have ill-fitting dentures that you don't love anymore, please come in for a no-charge consultation. We're going to evaluate your bone using our latest technology and see what options you have available to you. We'd love to see you here at Sundance Implant and Periodontal Center.